Hey fellow Python developers, my name is William McKeon, and I'm an electrical engineering student whose passion for artificial intelligence really made me have a desire to go out of my way and learn Python development through various different books as well as a whole boatload of different YouTube videos. Eventually I realized that I'm a lot better at computer science than electrical engineering, so I decided to switch majors. During the time period of switching majors from electrical engineering to computer science, I had this huge inspiration to start a YouTube channel, Islander Robotics, the channel you're all watching right now. Honestly, at first, this channel was supposed to be all about the milestones I was able to accomplish with my fully 3D printed dog, Wolfie the Artificial Intelligent Canine. The video you're all seeing being shot right behind me was the very first video I ever shot for YouTube. Yes, that little dog you're all seeing bowing right now is Wolfie the Artificial Intelligent Canine. The same Wolfie that's on our logo for this honestly amazing community. Honestly, all those videos were fun, and I had so much fun showing all of you my milestones I was able to accomplish with Wolfie the Artificial Intelligent Canine. However, I wanted something more meaningful. I wanted a community that was built off of Python to learn applications of machine learning and artificial intelligence through demonstration. So make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as that bell icon so you can get notified when I post my weekly videos. As well as so you can become part of the Islander community. As always, happy coding. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.